Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. An Indian led research study has warned that which fungus is becoming increasingly dangerous worldwide. Right answer is option C, Candida auris. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of the Food Corporation of India? Right answer is option A, Rabindra Kumar Agarwal. The historic Rohtasgarh fort, which was recently in the news, is located in which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Who will succeed Warren Buffett as the chief executive officer of Berkshire Hathaway? Right answer is option D, Greg Abel. Which country will host the AI Impact Summit scheduled for February 2026? Right answer is option D, India. Which organization notified India's first dedicated standard IS 19445 2025 related to bomb disposal systems? Right answer is option C, Bureau of Indian Standards. Who became the first bowler in men's T20 international cricket to take 8 wickets in a single match? Right answer is option C, Sonam Yeshe. The YJ-20 hypersonic anti-ship missile has been developed by which country? Right answer is option A, China. Deepti Sharma surpassed which player to become the highest wicket taker in women's T20 internationals? Right answer is option D, Megan Shute. Global Family Day 2026 is observed every year on which date? Right answer is option A, January 1st. Saudi Arabia carried out airstrikes on Mukalla, a port city located in which country? Right answer is option D, Yemen. Which Indian institute launched the Paramrudra supercomputer, the first supercomputer in Bihar? Right answer is option D, IIT Patna. Which Indian state has become the first to establish a national artificial intelligence research institution? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. The nuclear capable Oreshnik missile system has been deployed by which country? Right answer is option C, Russia. Who recently won the World Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship for the ninth time? Right answer is option D, Magnus Carlsen. Which country announced a peace prize for US President Donald Trump in the year 2026? Correct answer is option D, Israel. Where was India's first 3D flex aqueous angiography with iStent procedure successfully performed? Right answer is option D, Army Hospital, Delhi. The Jyoti Bishnu International Arts Center was inaugurated by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in which city? Right answer is option A, Guwahati. Which state government launched the digital initiative eSwasthya Samvad to improve transparency in medical education? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Which country formally acknowledged India's swift humanitarian assistance after devastation caused by Cyclone Ditwa? Right answer is option D, Sri Lanka. Which Indian state has become the first to constitute the 8th State Pay Commission? Right answer is option A, Assam. Who has become the first Indian woman to reach the South Pole? Right answer is option D, Kamya Karthikeyan. Recently, the headquarters of Goa's proposed third district is planned to be located at which place? Right answer is option A, Quepim. Which organization successfully conducted the maiden flight test of the Pinaka long range guided rocket? Right answer is option C, DRDO. India's first bullet train project is progressing as planned and is expected to be operational by which time? Right answer is option D, August 2027. Which country has become the first in the world to officially recognize the Republic of Somaliland as an independent and sovereign state? Right answer is option D, Israel. Recently, who visited the INS Kadamba naval base located at Karwar in northern Karnataka? Right answer is option C, Draupadi Murmu. Which space agency is preparing to launch the Artemis 2 mission in the year 2026? Right answer is option A, NASA. According to a recent report, India surpassed which country to become the world's fourth largest economy? Correct answer is option D, Japan. Which public sector telecom company rolled out voice over Wi Fi services across India in January 2026? Right answer is option C, BSNL. Who has become the first learning disabled artist to win the prestigious Turner Prize 2025? Right answer is option D, Nena Kalu. Which Foundation Day was celebrated by the Defense Research and Development Organization on 1st January 2026? Right answer is option A, 68th Foundation Day. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court? Right answer is option B, Justice Saumen Sen. Recently, who clinched the gold medal in the Youth Girls Under 17 category at the 29th National Sport Climbing Championship 2025? Right answer is option D, Amaira Khosla. Which medal was won by the Indian women's hockey team at the Women's Asia Hockey Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, silver medal. Mount Etna, one of the world's most active stratovolcanoes, is located on the eastern coast of which country? Correct answer is option C, Italy. Recently, which former England cricketer passed away at the age of 62? Right answer is option D, Hugh Morris. Which country has become the 21st nation to officially adopt the euro as its currency from 1st January 2026? Right answer is option B, Bulgaria. Who has inaugurated the e-bill system that will enable the government to digitally process fertilizer subsidies? Right answer is option D, JP Nadda. Which country granted legal rights to Amazonian stingless bees, making them the first insects in the world to receive such recognition? Correct answer is option A, Peru. Recently, who won the Women's Blitz Chess Championship title in 2025? Right answer is option D, Bibisara Asubaeva. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff of the Indian Air Force? Right answer is option C, Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor. According to data released by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, how many tiger deaths were recorded in India in 2025? Right answer is option B, 166. Under which operation did Delhi police trace 1,303 missing persons in the Southwest District over the past year. Right answer is option D, Operation Milap. Who inaugurated the international exhibition of the sacred Piprahva relics of Gautama Buddha? Right answer is option D, PM Narendra Modi. Recently, where did the first Jallikattu event of the 2026 season take place? Right answer is option A, Tachankurichi, Tamil Nadu. The six-lane greenfield access-controlled Nashik-Solapur-Akkalkot corridor of 374 km was approved under which scheme? Right answer is option D, PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Which volcano located in Russia has become active again recently after being dormant since 1956? Right answer is option C, Bezimiani. When is India's first bullet train project expected to be launched as per the current progress timeline? Right answer is option B, 15th August 2027. Who assumed charge as the head of Southwestern Air Command of the Indian Air Force on 1st January 2026? Right answer is option D, Air Marshal Tejinder Singh. Which international organization developed the Tsunami Ready Recognition Program? Right answer is option B, UNESCO. Dhanu Yatra, regarded as the world's largest open air theatre, is held annually at which location? Right answer is option C, Bargarh, Odisha. Vallanadu Wildlife Sanctuary, recently mentioned in the news, is located in which Indian state? Correct answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Who has been elected chair of the Badminton World Federation Athletes Commission for the 2026-29 term? Correct answer is option C, PV Sindhu. The International Day of Epidemic Preparedness is observed every year on which date? Correct answer is option D, December 27th. Which bird sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh has been declared an eco-sensitive zone by the central government? Right answer is option B, Parvati Arga Bird Sanctuary. Which organization developed India's first indigenously built MRI scanner? Correct answer is option C, Vauxhall Grids. Minamitori Island, which was recently in the news, is located in which ocean? Right answer is option A, Pacific Ocean. Who became the second Indian woman cricketer after Mithali Raj to reach 10,000 international runs? Correct answer is option B, Smriti Mandhana. Which ministry has administrative control over the National Council for Cement and Building Materials? Right answer is option B, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Which state government launched the Green to Gold initiative to promote industrial hemp cultivation? Correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Who launched India's first national level organized crime network database? Correct answer is option C, Amit Shah. Which Indian state is associated with the Narsapuram lace craft that was recently in the news? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Who won the men's singles title at the Senior National Badminton Championship 2025? Right answer is option B, Ritvik Sanjeevi. Which type of birds' breeding habitats in the Ganga basin are being protected under a recently approved government project? Right answer is option D, sandbar nesting birds. Papa Pagli is a play based preschool initiative launched by which state government? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Where did DRDO conduct the first successful flight test of the Pinaka long range guided rocket? Right answer is option C, Integrated Test Range, Chandipur. Which language was used by President Draupadi Murmu to launch the new edition of the Constitution of India? Right answer is option A, Santali. Who secured the women's singles title at the 87th Senior National Badminton Championships? Right answer is option C, Surya Charishma Tamiri. Kanger Valley National Park is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. With which organization's laboratory has the National Test House signed an MOU to enhance research cooperation? Right answer is option D, DRDO. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of Bangladesh who passed away on 30th December at the age of 80? Right answer is option B, Begum Khalida Zia. Which beach hosted Sudarshan Patnaik's giant Santa Claus sand installation? Right answer is option D, Neeladri Beach. Who has been appointed as the captain of the Indian team for the ICC Under 19 ODI World Cup 2026? Right answer is option C, Ayush Matre. Who is the author of the book Salman Khan, the Sultan of Bollywood? Right answer is option C, Mohar Basu. Who has been appointed as the 29th Director General of the Border Roads Organization? Right answer is option C, Lieutenant General Harpal Singh. By which year does Indian Railways plan to double its originating train capacity in 48 major cities across the country? Right answer is option D, 2030. On which date is World Braille Day celebrated globally in the year 2026? Right answer is option C, January 4th. What is the name of India's first ever weapon database launched to curb terrorism related crimes? Right answer is option D, Lost, Looted, and Recovered Firearm Database. Who announced that India has achieved its first mountain tunnel breakthrough for the Mumbai Ahmedabad high speed rail project? Right answer is option D, Ashwini Vaishnav. Where did the Ministry of Ayush celebrate the ninth Siddha Day on 3rd January 2026? Right answer is option A, Chennai. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Jharkhand High Court? Right answer is option D, Justice Mahesh Sharat Chandra Sonak. Which edition of the India International Youth Sailing Championship 2026 is scheduled to be held at Chennai Port? Right answer is option C, 11th edition. The Market Access Support Scheme for Exporters has been launched to remain in force during which period? Right answer is option D, financial year 2026 to 31. Which state launched a financial assistance scheme for Udasin Bhagats on 2nd January 2026? Right answer is option A, Assam. Who has been appointed as the chief coach of the Indian women's hockey team? Right answer is option B, George Marin. The birth anniversary of India's first female freedom fighter, Rani Velu Nachiyar, is observed on which date? Right answer is option C, January 3rd. In which city of Madhya Pradesh, ranked as India's cleanest city for several years, did contaminated drinking water lead to multiple deaths and illnesses? Right answer is option D, Indore. What is the name of the Venezuelan president whom Donald Trump claimed is being held captive by US troops? Right answer is option B, Nicolas Maduro. Which country won its first Sultan Azlan Shah Cup title in 2025 by defeating India in the final held in Malaysia? Correct answer is option C, Belgium. Which Indian personality received the Champions of the Earth Award 2025, UNEP's highest environmental honor? Correct answer is option C, Supriya Sahu. Which university topped the medal tally at the Khelo India University Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Chandigarh University. Who was appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of India in December 2025? Correct answer is option D, Rajkumar Goyal. What new name has been officially given to the Prime Minister's office? Right answer is option C, Seva Tirth. Which team won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025 for the first time by defeating Haryana in the final held in December 2025? Right answer is option B, Jharkhand. Which Indian festival was included in UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage list in 2025? Right answer is option C, Deepavali. Who was appointed as the chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs on December 1st, 2025? Right answer is option B, Vivek Chaturvedi. Who was appointed as the 15th Administrator of NASA in December 2025? Right answer is option C, Jared Isaacman. Which union territory became the first in India to achieve complete literacy status in the year 2025? Right answer is option B, Ladakh. Who was appointed as the chairman and managing director of Rail Vikas Nigam Limited on December 23rd, 2025? Right answer is option B, Salim Ahmed. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.